In this video, I'll show you how to add a before and after slider to your Wix website. It's gonna be completely free of charge without any credit card needed. And to get started, I've added a link in the description that you need to follow, so do make sure to click that to follow along for this tutorial. As you can see, there are a few different templates to choose from, and you can customize every single one of them to match your branding. And even see how different features work by clicking around the widget. And here is how the widget looks like on the website. So without further ado, let's get started. Now if you haven't already, the first thing you are going to do is click the link in the description below. And that's gonna bring you to this website where you have to go to the top menu and hover over widgets. From here, go over the tools section, and right down here you'll see before and after slider. Go ahead and click there. Next, you need to click on the pink button that says create widget for free. That's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. You can expand the window by clicking these arrows here. Now the first step here is to choose a template that's the closest to what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding. For this video, I'll go ahead with this option. From here, you can go ahead and click continue with this template at the bottom left corner. The first thing you need to do here is add a set of before and after images into this widget. You can do it by clicking this add set button, then add the before and after images here. To add the image, just click this add button and choose to upload a file or from URL. After that, you can add the image label text into these columns and write the caption here. You can click and hold any set like this to change its positions in the widget. And click this three dots button if you want to edit, duplicate, or delete the set. You can also add a heading text if you need it. After that, let's move on to the layout tab. Here you can choose between the list and carousel layout and change the width here. I'll add another set to show you the difference between these two layouts. If you choose the list layout, then all of the sets will be displayed like this and people have to scroll in order to view them. While if you choose the carousel layout, people have to click this arrow to see another page of the sets. For this video, I'll just stick with one set and with this list layout, but you can set as many sets and choose any layout as you want. Now let's go to the settings tab. Here you can change the image ratio to these options. Change the direction to horizontal or vertical. If you choose the horizontal, then the label's position will be bottom, top, or center. While if you choose the vertical direction, then the label's position will be center, left, or right. I'll stick with the horizontal direction. In the divider option, you can set the initial positions and size of the divider, and also add display arrows. Then you can set the interaction behavior by choosing between drag and click, or hover over the images like this. Lastly, you can go to the Style tab to change the colors and fonts of the background, labels, caption, and controls. And once you're ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click Add to Website for Free button at the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you'll need to either sign up or log into ElfSight. Once you've done that, you should end up on the similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up to the top right corner and click on the Screen Publish button. And now you are on the page where you need to choose your plan. And because it's completely free of charge like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking this gray select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page. From here, just go ahead and click on the copy code. And now it's time to head back to our Wix website editor. Once you are on your Wix website editor, the first step is to choose what page you want to add your widget to. In my case, I'll add this to my home page, which I can select right here. Then choose the section that you want to add your widget to. Click Add Section, click Add Elements, go down to Embed Code, choose Popular Embeds, and choose Embed HTML. When this window pops up, paste the ElfSight code here by clicking Ctrl V on your keyboard or right-clicking your mouse, then choose Paste, and click Update. Then you just need to adjust the size of this widget by clicking and dragging the small dots like this. Then you can also expand the section by clicking and dragging this arrow up or down to fit the entire widget. Another thing that I want to show you is how to change the font of this widget, because I think the current font doesn't really match my website. So here I have a personalized code that I will share in the video description below, so you can use it if you want to. Just go ahead and copy the code by highlighting it. Click Ctrl C on your keyboard or right click your mouse, then just copy. From here, go back to Wix, right click the widget and just edit code. Click enter on your keyboard to add a new line, then paste the code by clicking Ctrl V on your keyboard or right clicking your mouse, then just paste. And click update. And as you can see, the font has changed and I think it looks much better than before. Now let's click this preview button at the top right to see the final result. And as you can see, we now have a before and after slider on our Wix website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below and I will try my best to help you out.